All right, so I'm back at it again, boys and girls. I messed up. So I'm supposed to take the float, diaphragm, and this off. So let's get to it. Like I said, I'm going to cut this down as close as I can. Time is money, and I know everybody time means something to them. So I got all these broke loose. And if you don't know what kind of bike this is on, I never mentioned, it's an FZ1000, basically an R1. All right, so we're going to take this float off. Boom. Got it right there. We're going to put this right over here. Bagged it, carb 2. So we're going to repeat that process. As you can know, I don't know what. Oh, shit. Y'all, I'll tell you why my bike was flooding. Look how tight that is. I mean, I know that's loose, but it ain't supposed to be that tight. It's supposed to be something, but it's only supposed to be like 12 or 15. But it was Superman tight. All right, so anyway, we're gonna move right along. That's bank 1, and we're gonna take all this out because I got clean in there anyway, y'all. Screw this, float. All this was dirty anyway. I gotta clean all that. So all this was coming apart anyway. It's gonna go in there. So you should be able to go in there and clean. I'm gonna go in there and clean everywhere. So I'm finna do the exact same thing to 1. And I'm finna do a time lapse and do all of these. Y'all don't have to watch it, but stay with me now.